Infinite series is one of the most notable topics covered in calculus. It features numbers, arrangements, which clearly describe that indefinite numbers are related in such a way and listed in a given order. But aside from numbers, can it be also related to gaming? Let us find out in this exposition entitled A Phenomenological Study on the Relationship of Gaming Prediction and Infinite Series in Developing and Simulating Complex Behavior and Interaction.
To create these incremental advantages that are
What if I could relate this to infinite series?
max range.
First, let us discuss the statement of the problem, which will be the main point of this exposition. The highlight of this paper is to examine the relationship of gaming predictions and infinite series in developing and simulating complex behavior and interaction in the field of gaming. Moreover, the following are the questions that we are aimed to answer in this exposition.
Number 1. How can infinite series from calculus be effectively integrated into modern game development technology? Number 2. What specific aspects of games such as outcomes, probabilities, and strategies can be accurately modeled using infinite series? Number 3. What are the existing examples of games, both video and board games, that utilize mathematical principles like infinite series, and what are the outcomes have they achieved? Number 4. What are the potential challenges and limitations in incorporating infinite series into gaming experience? Number 5. What are the implications of this integration for the future of game development and the gaming industry as a whole?
After we find out the following question and the main statement of the problem, let us move on to the purpose of the study. The purpose of the study exposition is to find out the relationship between gaming prediction and developing simulating complex behavior and interaction. Moving on to the significance of the study, the following are the significance that lies in several key aspects.
The significance of these studies lies in several key aspects. The advancement of game development methodologies, quantitative analysis of gaming prediction, disciplinary insights, educational relevance, innovation in game design, anticipation of industry challenges, and future industry direction.
Infinite series. It is a fundamental realm of calculus, represents mathematical construct where an endless sequence of number is combined to form a sum that may or may not converge to a finite value. Gaming prediction predicts the player's actions and utilizes that information to shape strategy, retain valuable players, enhance product, increase the opportunity for monetization. Complex behavior combines innate responses with acquired behavior in the surrounding environment when making decisions and taking actions.
Now let's move on to the research design of this exposition.
The study used qualitative case study research design, specifically a grounded jury research. This is to figure out the significance and the relationship of the infinite series and the gaming concept, such as its advantage, disadvantage, and benefits to an individual.
Going to the most important feature of this presentation, the researchers find out the following data for this exposition. First, let us discuss the conclusions that we found out.
After the data were collected, examined, interpreted, and analyzed, the researchers were able to formulate the following conclusions. First, the concept of infinite series has a wide application in the field of gaming. With the help of the existence of modern technology and the brilliant minds of computer scientists and developers, infinite series can be integrated in game development, in which can create artificial intelligence or AI, simulations, and graphics rendering. Second, different aspects of gamers are able to be modeled through the infinite series. This can develop various aspects which are related and applicable to calculation, simulations, defining a scientific conclusion, representation of values and scenarios, and optimization for predicting models. Third, different kinds of digital games were able to be developed. Through the application of the infinite series, development of modern games will have a wider concept, aside from the traditional theme of games. Hence, it can be used not only for leisure, but also to educate and ignite one's mind in terms of numbers. The fourth conclusion is, implementation of infinite series in gaming prediction requires complexity. Infinite series offers a sophisticated means of modeling complex relationships within a game environment. It requires necessary traits such as convergence rates, memory usage, adaptability to dynamic environment, and numerical stability in order to obtain a realistic presentation, effective, and accurate gaming prediction. And for the last conclusion, the infinite series has a bright future in the gaming industry. It has a significant impact, especially for highlighting the modern application of mathematics, together with the help of integrated machine learning and AI algorithms, which can enable adaptive systems that learn player behavior, enhancing the accuracy and dynamic nature of predictions.
For the recommendation
according to the drawn conclusions, this exposition recommends the following. Number 1. Application of a mathematical concept such as infinite series to a game-related aspect may be applied for students who are specializing in mathematics and computer science. For a more progressive way of learning, integrating mathematics and technology can improve the level of proficiency of students. Number 2. Game and software developers, educational instructors, and students may undergo training and seminars focusing on the useful application and integration of mathematics and gaming. For more information about the interrelation of certain mathematical concept and gaming aspect, they may undergo training and seminars in order to hone their skills and be educated for its useful application in today's hybrid society. Number 3. Software companies may develop games featuring mathematically related gameplay or concepts. In order to materialize and further develop an educational way of gaming, software companies and developers may consider developing certain types of games which have mathematically related objectives in order to innovate and help those individuals, especially students whose passion is in modern technology and mathematics. Number 4. Further studies about the application of mathematical concepts such as infinite series in gaming prediction and simulating complex behavior and interaction are recommended. For more way in order to discover, be educated more and enhance the application of mathematics such as infinite series in gaming focusing to gaming prediction, developing and simulating complex behavior and interaction.
And that's all for our exposition, proudly presented by CBAM from BSM CS 2A. Thank you!